In this Remio AI review, I'll be breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that's causing quite a stir in the digital marketing world. Whether you're looking to enhance your business processes or just curious about the latest in AI technology, stay with me until the end for a complete overview. Now, before we dive in, if you're looking to try Remio AI for yourself, you can get started for completely free from the first link in the description below. I'll be covering all the important details, so stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's start by talking about what makes Remio AI stand out from the crowd. One of the key features is its incredible versatility. This software is designed to tackle everything from content creation to customer support automation. Whether you need to generate high-quality articles in minutes or streamline your customer service processes with AI-powered chatbots, Remio AI covers a lot of ground. But here's the catch. Remio is designed to be extremely user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding expert or AI pro to start using it. The platform's intuitive interface makes it simple to integrate into your existing workflow. If you're familiar with other AI tools, you'll appreciate how quickly you can start seeing results with Remio thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. Another great feature of Remio AI is its ability to analyze large sets of data and generate actionable insights. If you're in digital marketing or running a business, this tool can help you pinpoint trends, understand customer behavior, and optimize your marketing strategies, all in real time. Imagine having a tool that's constantly learning from your data and adapting to help you make smarter decisions every day. When it comes to content generation, Remio AI truly excels. If you're tired of spending hours writing blog posts, emails, or social media content, this software can create it for you in just a few clicks. It's designed to understand context, tone, and your audience's preferences, allowing it to produce copy that feels natural and personalized. This is a game changer for marketers and business owners who want to scale their content without sacrificing quality. Now let's talk about automation. One of Remio AI's standout capabilities is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. From scheduling posts to managing your email campaigns, Remio handles the mundane so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, working around the clock to keep your operations running smoothly. One thing that really caught my attention is how well Remio AI integrates with other tools you might already be using. Whether it's your CRM system, email marketing platform, or social media scheduler, Remio seamlessly connects with a variety of third-party apps. This makes it a perfect addition to your existing tech stack, saving you time and effort in the process. But like all tools, Remio AI isn't without its drawbacks. One area that could use improvement is its learning curve. While the interface is intuitive, getting the most out of the software requires some time investment. The more you use it, the better it becomes at tailoring its outputs to your specific needs. But there's definitely an adjustment period. Now, I want to give you a quick heads up. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and Remio is one of my top picks for businesses that need an all-in-one solution. It's powerful, flexible, and can save you a ton of time. That said, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're a business owner looking for something specific, it's worth taking the time to explore how it can best serve your needs. Before I wrap up, don't forget, if you want to try Remio AI yourself, you can do so for free using the link below. This could be your chance to experience the future of AI technology firsthand. To sum it up, Remio AI is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use tool that can help you take your business to the next level. Whether you're looking to automate content creation, gain deeper insights from your data, or streamline your marketing, it's worth giving it a shot. Don't forget to check out the free trials of other AI software I've tested and recommend in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.